what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. Johnson, Antonio, Johnson, forward it goes, drills one in, cut out in the nick of time. Tejero, Ortiz, Berger, Tejero, Brian Ruiz, Oviedo tries to dink it in, fires it in low. Danger averted for now. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Either side really getting hold of the ball. Defending was physical, no nonsense, and it had to be. Johnson. Lee, Morrison, shots on, whistle's gone, that's a foul. Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
Johnson! How's that for a goal? A finish of true class! Dispatched expertly, nicely done. So, a breakthrough already. Oviedo, Brian Ruiz, Venegas. There has been just the early goal here, and it's 1-0. Made into space out wide. Offside, I think? Yes, it is.
Oh, it would have been fabulous had the timing matched the pass. Pity.
To get it forward quickly. And it's got through. And he's onside. Swept in. Gets it upfield. Campbell. Aimed long and direct. Defenders on the back foot. It's a loose ball. And he's there to cut it out. Venegas. He's played him through. He's got away. Campbell! Decent enough try.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Good challenge, stood up well against his man. Stuck out a leg for a good challenge. Looks to thread it through. And the finish! Trying to get there. And the second time! That's gone a long way up and away. The referee's pulled play back and has booked him for the original offence. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Well, he knows very well that he is already walking a tightrope. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card.
Well, with him already been on a yellow, he should know much better than that.
Needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Tejero. Venegas. Campbell. Stuart. He's made sure that that won't get through. Tejero. Forward it goes. Ortiz. Campbell. Brian Ruiz. Gets it upfield. Keeper goes long. Morrison. Antonio. Morrison. Aimed long and direct. Has he picked him out? Face to face with the keeper. He's had a shot! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Leap! Cleared without complication. Keeper's ball. Tries to get it forward quickly. Hoists it high. Forward it goes. Venegas. Plays it out to the wing. Knocks one in. And he just whacks it away. He's played it short. Crosses it in low. He's dealt with that well. Johnson. A real chance to break. Good ball. Now can he finish? He's gone for it! It's a goal! A two-goal lead and they're firmly in control. Jim, your thoughts?
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
So that's two now without reply.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Now the counter. It's come loose. Brown tries lifting it over. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. The whistle goes for half-time. Some first-half thoughts?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first-half success with another show of strength?
It has been a remarkable contest, decorated by goals, and two between them at half-time. That gets things going for the second half. A delicate ball and back to base. Sticks in a foot to win it back.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Brown. Johnson. He's picked him out. Get that clear. That's been won straight back. Looking to get within range. He just whacks it away. It's a very good battle there. Terrific to watch.
Peter, he went down the glory trail and he ended up in a cul-de-sac.
Aimed long and direct. Pumps it into the area. Forward it goes. Oh, good interception. Driving, has a swing at it! Ruiz. Oviedo. a towering header! And oh, he's got that completely wrong.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Brian Ruiz. Tries to get it forward quickly. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Another chance from a corner. Defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
Gets it upfield. Gets it back. Tries to stroke it through. Can he put it away? In it goes! Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Peter, I can tell you, that was nothing short of a cold-blooded execution.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Oh, look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Antonio. Great ball, and Navarre! That really should have hit the net.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Brian Ruiz. You would think the first substitutions will be coming up pretty soon. Berger. Great run on the overlap here. Good clearance and very necessary. Boots it to safety. Once more. Tejero. Chip through. This is and a shot. It's gone a long way up and away. Challenge, but well within the laws. And the defence can get it clear. Out towards the flank. Hits one! Oh, taken with style! What about that, Jim Beglin?
It's rarely a problem when that much time is afforded in the penalty box. Nobody sensed where the danger was lurking, and the finish was made a lot easier.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, they've given themselves a chance here, but now it's a case of getting the balance right between attack and defence, and that's not easy.
Over to the left. Looking for space out wide. Looking to shoot! That really should have hit the net. Oh, good interception.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Brian Ruiz. Tries to get it forward quickly. Beautifully done. Plenty waiting in the middle. Incoming cross. Aimed long and direct.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads.
Antonio! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
He's had a look, is it in? Good stop, that wasn't easy. Ditch defending, but that'll do. It really is now or never. They need a goal however it comes. Shoots! Knocks it away. Swept in. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Antonio goes long. He's picked him out. He's off on him. Has a hit! He scored! And however many surrounded him, that is what he can do.
I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position and it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business there.